Hey Queens and Kings, welcome back, and thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. And as you guys can tell from the title, pretty much I have jumped on the bandwagon of this company that just pretty much done failed over the whole entire YouTube and everybody trying to get their hands on some affordable items. That's right, Queens and Kings. Temu also have affordable prices, high quality, and amazing coupons. So don't forget to check the links down below as well as the discount codes. So from what I have seen, others have uploaded what they have ordered. So of course, like I said, I jumped on the bandwagon and I have this huge box of stuff that I have pretty much ordered, from home decor to women items. So let's see what I have in this box. So if you like to see, please stay tuned. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So yeah. Let's see, y'all. So like I said, it's so much stuff to the point that they actually sent me some free items too as well. So we're going to start off with those first. Those are part of, as I can see, is these like crops. I'm not a fan of these. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not a fan of these at all. My kids like crops, but I think these are like slippers, house shoes, but they look like sharks. And they are very huge, so like to the point they not even my size. This is how they look. So if you're into things like this, you know, check their website out for them. I don't know what to say, but besides thank you for them. Pretty much I probably give them Jasmine. It's not nothing that I know I will wear. But yeah, these is a 44 to a 45, so you actually can find things as in shoes items in your size. They also sent this here. This looked like a cushion, a chair cushion, because it got the tie and everything to the back of it. I will give this to Andre so he can play with it, sit on, because he like little plushies and stuff like that. He might actually like this. It say I'm toast. Yeah, I'm toast. But look like an angry emoji face he got up there. Queens and Kings, I almost forgot to tell you guys about the exclusive discount. That is a hand-picked item just for you all, just for my Queens and Kings. So don't forget to click the link down below because you get an extra 30% off. And remember, it is a statewide sale that they have 90% going off on their website. So once again, click all links as well as discount code and honey, and run up the site. I'm gonna start off with some clothing, pretty much. This here, if I'm not mistaken, is this a jumper or a sundress or something like that? I'll put the items on side of the screen somewhere on one of these sides, most likely probably this side here. But I do want to let you guys know, Temu, if I'm pronouncing it right, does have a 90% sale going on. Discount code will be on the screen here, so you guys can actually get you a 30% off. And they already got a sale going on, so plus a 30% off, honey, that means you're going to pay less than what you thought you was going to pay. So I would say check the site out, so therefore you get your hands on a discount code, and you also could get into probably qualify for free shipping. So that's a win-win all the way around. They already on a discount, then you get a discount on top of it and free shipping. You can't lose with that. You can't lose. So check them out. So, but like I said, this item here, what? Oh, this is the dress. Is this the dress or pants? Okay, this is pants. I thought it was a dress. But like I said, I will leave it on the screen. I actually picked this up because I was planning on to go somewhere. I'm not even sure if I'm still gonna go now, but I don't know how this will fit on me. I need to try this on. If I try it on, I'll insert a picture of me done tried it on as well. But I like the material on it. The material is very nice. It does, oh, it have pockets too as well. Oh, that's even better, honey. So it's have the back out pretty much. And it tie around your neck, if I'm not mistaken. Hopefully it's long girl, tall girl friendly. Because you know I'm 5'9", so hopefully this fits well on me. I did pick up some jeans, but these is a 2 extra large. This is how they look. And oh, they stretchy. I could tell you that, so that's a plus. They have this distressed look here on the side as well. I don't know, maybe so. This is what I was afraid of. And they do have the little distressed look right here by the knee part too as well. So that's not bad. A little faded out look here on the part here, the pants. But I don't know. Hopefully they don't look too big though, but we'll see. But anyway, so moving on, I have this other here. Is this supposed to be a two-piece, a 2XX large? Why did I pick up a 2X extra large? Man, how big you think you are? Also, this is a two-piece, but I don't remember picking this up, ordering this. Supposed to be shorts, if I'm not mistaken, because it's got Lucky Labor on it. Oh no, this ain't what I ordered. The neck part is very little. Baby, that's like a choker. I don't know about this one here, y'all. I don't know about this. I'm gonna have to get this to Jasmine. And these more of a pants. Pants probably not too bad, but I don't know about this one here, you all. But I insert a picture of it, what it's supposed to look like. It's not nothing that I know I will wear. I did pick up her, speaking of my baby girl, I did pick up her some pillowcases. She needs some satin pillowcases for her hair. So let's see how many pillowcases in here. I think it should be 2 of them. Stuff is so affordable on it till you will get distracted, till you end up on all types of stuff, child. Okay, so these are supposed to be 2 queen size, if I'm not mistaken. 2 queen size pillowcases. Like I said, I got these for Jamie because sky blue is her favorite color, and she been asking for some satin pillow covers, which I should have got me some myself, but I didn't. The next thing I did pick up is, or order, was this holding fan. And these cute little fans here, and I decided to actually get one. But it have a little stand, a little kickstand that you sit it on, so therefore I could be able to just turn it off and on, and it's, oh, it works. Oh, it works. I didn't actually think it was gonna come on. I was about to tell you guys, you got to use the USB thing for to charge it up. So that's easy and affordable. So you gotta worry about getting no batteries or nothing like that. So that is good. I like that. It really does work. Oh wow. Oh, different settings so it go higher and stuff. Oh baby, girl, you can sit that down and just let it do what it do. Okay, so I did pick up these lights here now. I actually have some of these lights here already in my master closet, or in my closet period. So my master closet. But these is it's supposed to be a set of 3, so it actually is a 3-pack. Now these was very affordable. I want to say it was, if I'm not mistaken, if I can remember, it was like probably about $15 for these. And that's not bad, because I think I paid $15 for 2 of the ones that I do have, or probably even more than that. I don't know. But they are so much alike the ones that I got in my closet, the motion lights. Let's see, is these charged up? Oh, I could say the side is different. These are battery operated though. You gotta put batteries on the side of these. Oh, okay then. That's not bad though, but nowadays you really don't want no battery, because you know you gotta do too much buying. But for $15, you can't beat that. So I have them linked down below, but they do have the magnetic script and everything on the back of them. They need 4 AA batteries. So, oh, I did get another free item from there. This is a hanging purse organizer. So it's 6 pockets for this. Let's open this up, see how this looks. Okay, I'm like, where's the piece that I hang it up from? So you can hang it up inside your closet. You be able to slide and put your purses, anything in there, whatever you would pretty much want to put in it. Because, you know, an organizer don't have to be used for what exactly it says of the purpose of it. So, well, that's not bad, though. So I can have somewhere in case I run out of room, which you already know I don't run out of room for purses. So this will come right in handy. So thank you, Temu, for that. And they sent another item. What is this? This got to be some type of organizer too, though. But what is it? They don't say what it is. Maybe a jewelry organizer, because the pockets on here are smaller than the one for the purse. So I'm assuming that's what it is. Some type of, oh, and then they got bigger ones on the back here. Uh-oh, sorry. Bigger. So maybe you could put shoes or something in here. I don't know. Slides. I would say more of slides than actually shoes or tennis shoes, because they'll fall out. But on this side here, like I said, its pockets are smaller, which is good, because right about now, you know, I need all the organization I can get, because, child, live in an apartment, you need that, but not even just apartment, a home, period. All right, y'all, so we still got more to go. Like, we still got more to go, so let's get into it before I break anything, because I'm about to break something. Okay, so y'all know I'm into trucker hats. So one thing about this, y'all, like I said, y'all know I'm into the trucker hats, and where I be purchasing my trucker hats from, you can actually buy 3 hats for the price of 1 for the other website that I usually get them from. So from here on out, this is where I be buying my trucker hats from, because this trucker hat was like $3.98, $3.89, $3.98 or something like that. And this one here I got, let's see, it's a gray fox, I believe. So here's the hat. So y'all know I love this. Like I said, y'all guys know I love my trucker hats, and I think this is so cute on me. For just less than $5, honey. Girl, please. So I did pick up a pair of shoes. Now y'all already know I have a big feet. I wear a size 11. I'm 5'9". And if they have shoes on it that can fit my size, of course I'm trying to get them. And I want to say these shoes was less than $15. And that's great for my size anyway. So here are the sandals. I insert a picture of them. The scraps is going crazy right about now. So these scrap around your ankles some kind of way, girl. I don't remember how, because it's all tangled all up. But like I said, they big girl foot friendly, up to size 11. That's the biggest size I did see that they have. I'm not sure if they have any size for like wide feet. I don't have a wide foot, anything like that. But these heels here, baby, these are cute. I love the color on them too as well. So this is how they are. A look on the side as well. So you guys know I'll be rocking these. I'm quite sure I can find something to wear with these. But soon I can figure out how they scrap up around your ankles and everything like that. But I think they're very sexy though. I love it, the toe, the pointed part of it. We got shoes. So some more clothing items. Now, this here is bathing suit, baby. Ooh, oh, get my little sexy self up in that. Wait, is that the right part? Okay, that is the right. How about I say, is that the right part? So those are the bottoms. Here is the top. So like this. Yes, I am struggling. And this is the cover up part, the skirt part. Yes. It got a little split to the side there too. Do y'all see that? So you can wear it to the front, child. You wear it to the side. However you want to wear it. But I think this is so pretty though. I like it. I like the pattern on it. So this automatically gives you a beach vibe, summer vibe, spring vibe, whatever vibe, just a vibe, pretty much. Okay, they did send me another gift. It's this jug here, this water bottle. I don't know what those are, but those are attached to the water bottle. And like I said, they sent this water bottle. So you could get workout gear, all types of items on their website. Okay, so it does have a scrap to go with it. So you can be able to hold it on your shoulder. You got a straw to go with it. Oh, you could decorate it. I guess that's what they're supposed to be, for you to be able to decorate your bottle. I don't know. On the back of it, it got different time frames so you can drink the water. But this is how, like I said, it looks. So not bad. Okay, y'all, we almost done. So you know, I have the little water fountain spigot thing, look like a shower head I have on my sink. I need another one. So I seen that they had some, so I picked up one so I could put it on my sink, because like I said, that one there, I need another one, and it's starting to crack around it. But I got that from somewhere else, but it was affordable too as well. But this definitely was affordable. So get you one. Now, speaking of that, I also got a shower head. Now, so I'm going to try to switch out my shower head so I can put this one up, hook it up, so therefore I can have something a little bit more luxury. So, like I said, they have all types of items on their website. Check them out, and right about now, you want to go ahead and get them because everything is 90% off. Like, that sale is huge. So, click the link down below, put the discount code in that you see on the screen there, and therefore go ahead, baby, and shop till you drop. All right, y'all, we almost done. The last few items I got is some home decor items, which I was very fond of this here, but I thought it was bigger than this though. I really thought it was bigger than this. The reason I know what this one is because it came in a different bag, but it's this here. It's a pendant light. I actually thought it was bigger, but it's not. That's okay, but I'm quite sure I'll find something to use it with. So they do come with an LED light to go in it if you want to go ahead and wire it up. We got all the wires and everything, but pretty much sit down like that and hang from the ceiling or wherever you're going to put it at. By it's so small, I wouldn't expect for it to be for a ceiling. So it pretty much for me, it's going to turn into a vase, a vase or something. But it is rose gold. I thought it was all gold, but it's rose gold though. Let me let you guys see what it is. So this is pretty much how she looked, which is pretty though. It's very pretty. But like I said, it is rose gold, but I did thought it was gonna be bigger than this because, like, let's be for real. You must have a small closet for to have this sitting in the closet. More like the laundry room or something, but still a little too small though, in my opinion. So I don't know. Pretty much like I said, I make it out of vase or something. I don't know. Cute. I could make a candle holder out of it. I don't know. We'll figure it out though. So here, if I'm not mistaken, I think this is a vase here, but I thought this vase here was gonna be larger. Look how cute and mini it is. It's a bust. And you guys know I have several of these. Several. But look how cute this is. I actually thought it was gonna be bigger than this though, but it is very cute though. I could put it somewhere. See it right there. I got 3 mini ones. Look at it. Look at that. It's the last one. They are super cute and adorable. You could play games with these, like a chess game or something. I think they're so cute. I'm trying to get all 3 of them up so don't break them. But that's how they look. And then with the vase too as well. So I thought it was super cute. So of course they'll be linked down below. Last item that I did get from Temu that I ordered is actually a digital clock. If I'm not mistaken, it's changed color, but the color that I did pick up was a royal blue. It had to be charged up. But this is supposed to be a royal blue though. I actually picked this up for Andre for his room. Okay, so it does work. Well, look at that. It does work. Isn't that cute? Oh, okay. So like I said, it's royal blue, and I picked it up for his room so to help him learn time and tell time and everything like that. That's cute. So you did have different shades and colors that you actually could have picked out and stuff like that. So this is the set and the up and down and the reset location on it. But small and neat, something he can sit right in front of his TV and stuff like that. So he can be able to see the time at any time of the day. All right, queens and kings, so that is pretty much it for my Temu haul. If you guys like the unboxing and everything that I did pick out, like I said before, go ahead and hit the link down below. Also use the discount code that's on the TV, so therefore you get a percentage off, which is be 30%. And all the items will be linked down below, so you can actually shop what I have. And like I said, they have so much more than what I showed you here, honey. Like, so much more, like so much more. But anyways, with that being said, shout out to Temu for actually sponsoring this video. And if you queens and kings enjoyed it, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will talk to you all in the next one. And you queens and kings continue to be royal. Remember, your crown may tip, but a damn show won't fall. Bye bye.